Alright guys, welcome sa aming Paragon Hotel and Suites hotel room. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick room tour. So, itong binook namin ay, I think yung nabasa ko sa website is 30 meters squared. So, it's pretty big. Pinakauna nyo makikita pagkapasok nyo is itong twin bed na I think queen per bed. So, malaki yun. Malaki yung space. So, ayan. Over here muna, you have your beds na merong dalawang pillows. Ooh, it's pretty comf. And you have your comforter. Ayan. Tapos, dito muna tayo sa side. We have our cabinets. Medyo malalaki. Meron ding safe. Then, safety box kung kailangan nyo. And they provided us with slippers na may print ng Paragon Hotel. Let's see what else is here. Ooh, may plancha. And lots of hangers. Yan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of hangers. Okay. And then, meron tayong potable water po ba? Hindi man lang kami inorient ko anong meron dito sa room. Assume ko na lang na potable water. To water kettle. You have your packets of coffee, instant coffee, creamer, and sugar. And meron tayong drawer dito. And I am guessing this is a refrigerator. Medyo maingay lang yung mga stuff. Ayan, meron pang freezer ba to? Okay, so moving on. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side nung room. So ito, here's the other bed, queen size din. And then in the middle, you have your telephone, notepad, survey sheet, Wi-Fi password, and yung menu ng restaurant nila, which is called Fortune Restaurant. And then meron din dito, here's a light switch. Yan. Tapos meron sila ditong quick house rules. Yan. Check-out time is 12 o'clock and check-in time is 2 p.m. ata. Yun nabasa ko. Okay, so moving on. Dito naman tayo. Meron ba tayong view? Ano to? Mukhang wala tayong view. Yes. Okay, tapos dito naman meron tayo, there's like 2 sets of tables and chairs. So you've got like plenty of working space. Actually, pwede dito kainan, and then dito naman is your workspace. Puro yung vibe nitong buong hotel room is giving country, old, rustic vibe dahil sa mga wooden furniture. And then we also got a lamp na nakailaw na pala. And then, dito naman, meron tayong smart TV and meron ding drawer sa ilalim. Tapos meron din sila ditong standard na what's superhero versus cafe? Ay, ano pala to? So, menu pala. Akala ko to guidebook. Okay, and then dito, connecting room to, diba? I can't open this anymore. Hello? Okay, so connecting room to. Kung nag-avail ko yung 2 rooms, pwede ito sa kabila. And then, last but not the least, is yung CR. Ang kakaiba sa room na to is, meron siyang bathtub! Na malaki. And then, aside from the highlight na bathtub, meron tayong toilet with bidet. Ayun yung bidet. Yan. And, pinabawanan niya rin tayo ng a few toiletries. So, shampoo with conditioner, bar soap, and dental kit. And, may heater dito, di ba? Meron din pala silang hair dryer para sa mga nagtatanong. Important, especially for the ladies. Ayan. So, that concludes our hotel room tour. We booked this for 3 nights for around, I think borderline 9K na siya. 8 something. Lagi ko dito yung presyo. Yeah. And ang location na to is very near Burnham Park and very near city center. So, maybe like 5-10 minutes walk away from city center. And by city center, I mean Session Road. So, yan. Na-upgrade kami ng room. Well, basically, wala na daw direct na parang booking dun sa room na pinareserve namin. Like, wala nang tuloy-tuloy. So, they had to transfer us to a different and a bigger room. Bigyan ko lang kayo ulit ng isa pang room tour. They didn't really say the room type, but this has more features. So, gusto ko lang sana muna ipakita yung overview ng buong room. Ayan. So, ito yung room. Ito yung door, and then may mga tables dito. And then dito naman, bed. And then dun sa dulo is yung bathroom. So, simulan muna natin dito. So, meron ditong 4 chairs. Ang ginamit namin yung isang chair dun. Right over here, hindi na twin beds. So, meron na tayong king. California king bed. Sa tapat ng king bed is yung TV. But wait, there's more. Siya ay not to turn. Wow! At alam niyo ba para saan yan? Para siya dito sa mamaya papakita ko. May mga drawers ulit, no? And stuff. Tapos meron ulit ditong ang daming table sa room na to. So, may 2 kang table. And then meron ka ulit parang vanity thing. And then you have another nightstand. Yan. Same layout lang din as yung unang room na binigay sa amin, but there's like a Bible. And then you got your usual safety box, slippers, lots of hangers, an iron, and yung kabayo. Meron dito is yung provided na hotel water and electric kettle. Ang daming parang pwedeng paglagyan ng gamit dito sa hotel na to. Merong fancy cabinet, and then you have on top is yung mirror. And now, let's go back to this TV, no? So, bakit siya naro-rotate? It's for this jacuzzi. Here. So, habang nagja-jacuzzi ka, pwede kang manood. Ang odd ng space dito, no? Kasi yung building medyo oddly shaped din. So, ayan, ito yung bathroom. Wow! Insert wow sound effect. And here, you have yung sink and yung basic toiletries na toothbrush, soap, and shampoo and conditioner. And then, you have the toilet with the bidet and the bidet check. Kayang-kaya kang ipaglaban. Ayan. Okay guys, so ito yung breakfast menu nila dito sa Paragon Hotel and Suites. Ano siya, no? Hindi siya buffet, a la carte lang. So, we have ground beef na may butter and mushroom sauce. Filipino breakfast na may, the usual fried stuff na bangus, tocino, longganisa, corned beef tapa. American, French toast, pancake, omelette, tsaka Filipino big breakfast. Okay guys, as written in the menu, ito yung Filipino breakfast variation ng beef tapa, garlic rice. Ano to? Achara ba to? Or just fruit mix? Tapos, dip. And sunny side up egg with tomato and cucumber. And then here we have longganisa na 3 pieces, sunny side up egg, garlic rice, cucumber, tomato, and pineapple.